Hi, I'm Mark Thompson, and I've been exploring different forms of webcam uses and recording and editing. I've been most comfortable with this one, which is just Screencast, because it's free and it's pretty simple. I've used a Movie Maker before for a project in anatomy, and that was very complicated, and I overlaid music and stuff like that. But this one was very simple for working with students, I think, and one of my favorites, and I think I'll stick with it. Although I did also look at Flipgrid, and I thought that was very fun, but I didn't like the choices it had for writing or for putting fun things in or a little juvenile, and I'll be teaching adults. So this one was a little bit better.